Howdy folks, gonna do a blower motor, AC heater blower motor on this 1995 Chevrolet G20 today. And I noticed there wasn't any videos on replacing this blower motor here. And that's probably because it's so simple. I mean, it is, as you can see, relatively simple. Here's a new part. If anybody needs a part number there, it's CarQuest part number 35334. That was about $25 after taxes with a coupon code applied. The only thing that you would have to do otherwise of what you see here is to remove your reservoir. I've already done that because of the headlights here. I put those in here a while back and I never did put the reservoir back in. So anyway, this 1995 G20. Going to go ahead and probably smart thing to do is start by undoing the battery, but I'm not going to do that. Go ahead and unplug your ground and your hot wire there, and then you're going to go ahead and pop off these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looks like maybe 6 little bolts here, little screws, including the one that's holding that ground lug on. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pop that loose. Let's see what size it is before I let you go. It might try to help you figure it out. Something tells me it's probably a 7 because it's a GM product. I have to forgive me. I am a horrible cameraman. I'm a horrible videographer. Horrible producer. But I can tell you how to change this blower motor. 8 was too big, let's try, or 7 was too big, let's try 6. Huh. 6 too small, 7 too big. So I may have to go get a 1/4 inch, my standard size 1/4 inch kit. No, 7, there it is, 7 millimeter. I must have tried the wrong one. Alright, so 7 millimeter, 6 screws. You'll pull that squirrel cage out, put your new one back in, and you'll be good to go. Go ahead and plug your wires back up and you'll be good to go. Okay, there it is, all put back together. The ground lug was a 7 millimeter. These other 5 screws, or hex head screws or bolts or whatever you want to call them, they were 5.5 millimeter. Only other thing other than that, make sure how you pay attention how you orient your blower motor. Pay attention how it's oriented when it came out, because you have 2 options for your vent tube, up top and down bottom here. So you have to figure out which one and go with it. Make sure you unplug it and vent it to the air box. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward, easy job. That's probably why there ain't no videos out there. But if you like vans and want to see more done on this thing, we're going to do some body work, some body panel replacement, custom interior, custom audio, things like that we're going to be doing to this van in the future. I grew up around a van. I like vans, so this one's staying. This is going to get some custom work. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.